You might have heard whispers, the kind of stories that make collectors' hearts race. Rumors of a humble British coin that, in rare cases, could be worth a staggering amount, even touching the realm of thousands of dollars. Could it be true that a simple halfpenny from 1959 might hide such treasure? Well, keep watching till the end, because the truth might surprise you. In my hands today is the 1959 British halfpenny, a small yet fascinating piece of history from the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. On one side, we see the young Queen's portrait, facing right, her hair neatly tied back, surrounded by the Latin inscription Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina F. Laughingface, meaning Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. It's a regal design, crisp and proud, representing the optimism of a post-war Britain. Flip it over, and you're greeted by the beautifully detailed Golden Hind, the famous ship of Sir Francis Drake, the legendary explorer who circumnavigated the globe in the late 1500s. The design captures every rope, sail, and line of the vessel, making it one of the most admired reverses in British coinage. Above it, the words, halfpenny, and below, the date, 1959. This coin was struck in bronze, measuring 25.48 millimeters in diameter and weighing 5.67 grams. It belonged to the old pre-decimal currency system, before the UK switched to decimal coinage in 1971. Millions of these were minted for everyday use, but here's where it gets interesting. For most coins in circulated condition, the value is modest, around 50 cents to $3. Uncirculated examples can reach $50 to $100. But there are rare cases that can skyrocket the price. Mint errors, off-center strikes, double strikes, or clipped planchets can fetch $200 to $500 or more. Proof strikes, special collector issues in pristine condition, can sell for $150 to $300. Exceptional grades, coins graded MS66 Plus or MS67 are extremely scarce and have sold for over $500. Unique varieties, rare design or die variations could make a coin worth several $100s, and if a new variety is discovered, the first examples can fetch premium prices. So, does this 1959 halfpenny in your hand hold a fortune? For most, it's a charming and affordable relic of Britain's past. But if you have one in perfect, untouched condition, or with a rare minting error, you just might be holding something truly special. Sometimes, history's treasures aren't made of gold or silver, they're made of bronze, and they tell stories of monarchs, explorers, and a changing world, all packed into a coin barely larger than a bottle cap.